Cost classifications for a service provider. TechPro offers instructional courses in e-commerce website design. The company holds classes in a building that it owns. Identify each of TechPro's costs below as either A, variable or fixed, or B, direct or indirect, and by selecting the appropriate drop-down, assume the cost object is an individual class. Alright, so we've got to figure out these 6 items, and let's see what our first one is. Depreciation on computers used for the class. Well, if the cost object is an individual class, then that would be considered like our factory, or the port where things are going on, where things are happening. So this would be a fixed cost since it's a depreciation expense, and this is not a direct material or a direct labor, so therefore it would be considered an indirect cost. The instructor's wage per class. Well, the more classes you teach, this wage will go up and up, and so therefore instructor wages is a variable cost because it goes up and down with how many classes you teach. Therefore it's a variable cost, and since it's really like direct labor because it's something that's actual part of the making the finished product, which is the instruction you're giving, it'd be a direct cost. Depreciation factory equipment. Depreciation factory equipment is fixed, and it's going to be an indirect cost because it's really like overhead, factory overhead. Depreciation office equipment. Depreciation office equipment is also going to be fixed, and it's also something that's considered indirect because it's not part of the let's see, since we're doing classes and website things, this is more most of the costs are going to be the instructor and the actual pieces inside the classroom. And then we've got rent on factory building. Well, that would be let's see, that'd be fixed, used because it doesn't go up and down with volume, and since it's not a material or a labor, then it's going to be an indirect cost. And then depreciation on classroom building. This would be fixed because depreciation doesn't go up and down with any type of number of classes you have or whatever. It's going to be there whether you have the classes full or whether they're empty. And since it's not a direct material or a direct labor, then it's going to be an indirect cost because it's factory overhead.